How you doing, meteorologist Ashley Brown? Your travel weather forecast. If you're traveling to the southeast, be aware you may see some thunderstorms popping up. I don't think we'll see much in the way of travel delays from this system. It's stretching from Illinois all the way down into parts of Georgia. This system moving off rather swiftly, just bringing some heavy rain. Most of us just seeing cloud cover from the system across the region. And here's a closer look at that system. If you're headed to the northeast to travel, pretty quiet weather there. A few showers will move up from this system. The low pressure that is tracking there, but I don't think you'll see travel delays because of it. All right, so satellite image shows those showers, also those flood warnings out still for most of the western part of Indiana. If you're traveling to Illinois, also dealing with those river flood warnings as well as rain continues to fall over the area. Last week here in Indy, beautiful weather. We saw temperatures at 81 degrees on Wednesday, warmest day so far, 82. That was on April 10th. So beautiful weather. You don't need to travel to see great conditions, as we'll see temperatures cooling, but cooling to the 70s, remaining mild, but also dealing with the chance of showers in the forecast on today, tomorrow as well, as we see showers in the forecast with mild temperatures drying out briefly on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but those days still host a slight chance of showers in the forecast. Thunderstorms are moved back to the forecast on Friday, and as temperatures fall off on Saturday of next week, we'll still see temperatures near the seasonal average at 69 degrees. Keep in mind as you look at the 7-day planning forecast, seasonal average throughout the week in the upper 60s. Enjoy.